Hello beautiful people, I'm Hui Ping from SPJ Quill. Welcome back to my channel. Joy. Since I've previously uploaded a video about the basic shapes of paper quilling and include some tips and tricks, do click on the top right corner link if you haven't watched it. Now, it's time to update a new tips of quilling to perfect your quilling coil. Here is a better tool to perfect your marquise coil and elongated teardrop coil. By using the common method, these smudge tools you need to quill a marquise coil or elongated teardrop coil. But now, you just need a quilling comb to achieve a better and faster effect. There are different spacing quilling comb to match with different type of artwork. By using the default way, you need to quill the strips using a slaughter tool and make sure the quilling is even and tight, while you can use the tweezer to make sure it's even. Then use the tweezer to hold your coil and put it in a circle mold to fix its shape. Then use the tweezer to adjust the spacing in between to have a perfectly spacing coil. After that, pick it up and put it on the corkboard and pin it with tweezers and glue it to fix its shape. Whew! The quilling comb is a much easier and faster tool to let you achieve evenly spacing coil. Just create a hoop and go around each pin to your desired length. The great thing of this is you won't need to worry about not getting uneven spacing coil. Narrow spacing quilling comb suitable for small coil. You can play with the different spacing of comb. While using wider spacing comb, you were able to go through one pin few times to achieve thicker coil, suitable for small flower quilling pattern. Here is another example of what you can make by using a very wide spacing comb. The freedom to combine the coil together to shape a bigger flower quilling petal. Here is a sum up of how different spacing coil look by using different spacing comb. Finally, we are done introducing the use of quilling comb. Hope it helped you to perfect your quilling. Remember to subscribe my channel, please! Because the coming video I'll be doing a lot of flower quilling tutorials, so stay tuned and hit the bell button to be the first to get notified when a new video pops up. If you like this video, do hit the like button for encouragement. Thank you! Well, now how the happy time flies, now it's time to say goodbye.